Ghost plant, one of my favourites. Again, all succulents are my favourites, but I love this one. This ghost plant is one of the hardiest ones I know. It's constantly outside. It gets a lot of sun. It gets in the winter, it gets the cold as well, and it actually is one of the easiest ones to propagate. And most succulents don't propagate very well in the winter, but this one does. For some reason, it's always propagating. And look inside at the babies everywhere. Just the leaves fall off and they just grow like mad. Obviously with this plant you can leaf propagate, and to leaf propagate you just pull off a leaf, I'll throw it back in and it will propagate. Simple as that. Or you can stem propagate it, you can chop, let it callus over for a few days and then plant it, and it will root up very fast. Actually, I find that this ghost plant is very fast growing. This one's in flower at the moment. Flowers haven't opened yet. And yeah, just in general, easy peasy plant. Another thing with ghost plants, apart from them being hardy to zones, I think it's 9 to 11, you can have them. They actually love full sun, these ones. You can have them in full sun or partial sun for 6 hours. They do really well in the sun. If you have them in the shade or indoors, they can get leggy, like this one for example. But if it does get leggy, you can just chop it and propagate it, and then from where you've cut it off, new pups will grow. When it comes to watering, if it's in full sun, it's best to water once a week, but still you can test it by putting your finger in the soil. And if it isn't in the sun, then once every 2 weeks should be alright. And if it's in your home, I would actually water it less, like once a month. I just wanted to show you how strong and hardy this plant is. This soil is non-draining, it is rock hard, and these are leaf propagations. And look, they've rooted up into it. That is how strong this plant is. Sorry, there's another one here. So the roots are really strong. You can literally plant this anywhere, I guess. I know they say use non-draining soil, which I do, but this is just to prove that even in the hardest soil, it will propagate and grow, but it probably will not grow big. So it's a slow growing because of the soil. But anyway guys, this was a video on ghost plant, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.